Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about how to create an exceptional LinkedIn profile as a freelancer. As a freelancer myself, I know how important it is to have a strong online presence, and your LinkedIn profile is a key part of that. In this video, I'll be sharing some tips and tricks that have worked for me and other successful freelancers out there. Tip 01: Optimize your headline. First things first, let's talk about optimizing your headline. This is the first thing people see when they visit your profile, so it's important to make it stand out. Instead of simply stating your job title, try to make it more descriptive and unique. For example, marketing strategist specializing in social media management is much more eye-catching than just marketing manager. Tip 02: Highlight your skills and expertise. Next, let's talk about your skills and expertise section. This is the perfect place to showcase your strengths and let potential clients know what you're capable of. Be sure to use relevant keywords in this section as well, as it can improve your chances of appearing in search results. Tip 03: Utilize visuals. LinkedIn is a professional platform, but that doesn't mean it has to be boring. Utilize visuals such as images, videos, and infographics to make your profile more engaging. If you have samples of your work, be sure to showcase them here as well. Tip 04: Show your personality. Don't be afraid to show your personality on your LinkedIn profile. Your summary section is the perfect place to inject some of your personal brand and tell potential clients what makes you unique. Be sure to keep it professional, but also let your personality shine through. Tip 05: Engage with others. Finally, engage with others on LinkedIn. Join groups and participate in conversations, and don't be afraid to reach out to potential clients or collaborators. LinkedIn is a great way to network and make connections, so take advantage of it. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found these tips helpful and that you're feeling more confident about creating an amazing LinkedIn profile as a freelancer. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or additional tips to share. Thanks for watching.